We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you...
Hello, my crafty friends, and happy holidays. My name is Robyn with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome back to day 3 of our 12 Days of Christmas craft series. Hopefully you've been enjoying yourself so far and have picked up some wonderful craft tips here and there, and also have received some last-minute Christmas gift ideas. For my project, I created these fun sleigh treat boxes. I did use a digital file from the Cutting Cafe, and I will be sure to include a link in the description box. Also, after this video review, I will do a brief tutorial to show you how I put these sleigh boxes together. I have created 3 different treat boxes just so I can give you some ideas for how you may be able to use them. For this first treat box, I kept it fairly simple. We've got this red plaid paper in the background. This time I used white glitter paper, a little green bow, and it says Noel. Inside, I've filled this with tea bags, so this would be perfect for anyone who loves tea. And these are all winter flavors, Silent Night. We've got apple cinnamon. Okay, very easy to make. So this depth is about 2.5 inches. But I love the way this turned out, and it's so easy. You can decorate this as much or as little as you like. This is the next treat box that I created, and I have layered the base with white and red poinsettias. I did use this pretty floral paper and then more of this red glitter. This is a side, and this is a back. And for this example, I have filled it with lots of candy. So let me show you how much. You can fit all of this inside this little box. And at the bottom, I have included red and gold crinkle paper. The third example is a bit more elaborate. I wanted to see how many things I could fit inside this. And so I thought that this would actually make a cute little coffee treat box. Let me just show you the front. We've got this red glitter paper. I love this paper here that I used. Green bow. And on the bottom I have this sentiment that says Noel, and it's done in a very rustic woodland treatment. You've got the raffia and wood branches. I think that's really cool. Inside, I've included 2 K-cups. These are from my favorite cups of coffee. It's a graham cracker. And all I did was decorate the tops of the K-cup coffee. And then I've included these 2 coffee stir sticks. This is chocolate with crushed peppermint. But it fits in here nicely, as you can see. And each of the examples that I showed you will be wrapped in cellophane with a bow before it goes to the recipient. So now that you've received a good overview of these treat boxes, let me show you how easy it is to make. I'm going to go ahead and grab my supplies, and I'll be right back. I have cut out all of the pieces to make our sleigh treat box. On the left side, we have the front of the sleigh, and on the right side, we have the back of the sleigh. This white piece is the foundation, and this is where the treat box is. Then we have this black layer, and then the decorative mat. Let's start gluing these pieces on. I'm using my art glitter glue. We'll glue the black trim down first, covering the white, and then we want to put our pattern paper on. This is going to go right here on top. You really can't mess this up. All you have to do is follow the lines. Okay. And then our last piece will be this glitter trim. This is going to go right here at the top. Okay, and so our first piece is done. I'm going to go ahead and glue the rest of the pieces on the back, and I'll be right back. Now that we have all of our pieces glued onto the sleigh, let's go ahead and make the box. So I'll take this piece here, And I'm going to fold on the perforation lines. And this piece folds up and glues right here. That's the first part of our box. So I'm going to put some glue right here and make sure you get a nice fine line along the edge near the score line. And just fold it up just like so. And take my bone folder here just to make sure we have a nice strong adhesion. And that's the front of our box. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other side. Fold along the score lines. We're going to glue this piece right here like we did on the other side. Put a nice line of glue here. So now that we have our two sides, we're going to join these pieces together. So I'm going to turn this piece around, and this space here is going to slide in to form the little box. Okay. So there's a glue tab here, which will be attached to the back of the sleigh, and then we need to glue the bottom of this piece here. And then I'm going to put glue on this tab here. And use your bone folder to make sure that these little tabs are glued down. Make sure the base is glued down as well. And they've given us a little liner to include on the bottom of the treat box. And that's going to go right down here on the base. And here is our adorable little sleigh treat box. This concludes my review of my sleigh treat boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check back tomorrow for day 4 of our 12 Days of Christmas Craft series.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry